Imagine a world untouched by modern hands, a time when the earth was a vast, untamed wilderness filled with mysteries and wonders beyond our wildest dreams. Towering trees dominate the landscape, their canopies stretching high into the sky, creating a dense green roof over the world below. Mighty rivers carve their paths through dense forests, their waters teeming with life, providing sustenance and a means of travel for the creatures that lived there. This was the world of early humans, millions of years ago. A world where survival was a constant struggle, and every day brought new challenges and opportunities. The air was alive with the sounds of unknown creatures, their calls echoing through the forests, creating a symphony of life that was both beautiful and terrifying. Danger lurked around every corner. Predators, both large and small, roamed the land, always on the hunt for their next meal. Yet our ancestors thrived in this challenging environment. They learned to adapt, to use the resources around them to their advantage. Survival was a daily challenge. Every day was a test of their strength, their ingenuity, and their will to live. Food and water were not readily available. They had to be sought out, hunted, and gathered from the land. They had to be hunted, gathered, and earned. Every meal was a victory, a testament to their skill and determination. Early humans possessed remarkable ingenuity and resilience. They developed tools, learned to control fire, and built shelters to protect themselves from the elements. These traits allowed them to not only survive, but flourish. This is their story, a story of survival, of ingenuity, and of the indomitable human spirit. Early humans were hunter-gatherers, a term that encapsulates their dual approach to survival. They relied on a combination of foraging for plants and hunting animals for food. This dual strategy ensured a more balanced diet and increased their chances of survival. Their knowledge of the land was exceptional. They could read the subtle signs of nature, understanding the seasons and the migration patterns of animals. They knew which plants were safe to eat and which to avoid. This knowledge was passed down through generations, ensuring the safety and well-being of their communities. They understood the habits of the animals they hunted. Observing animal behavior was crucial for planning successful hunts. Hunting was a cooperative effort. Working together, they could take down larger prey and share the bounty among the group. They used simple but effective tools. These included spears, which were often crafted with great skill and precision, clubs, which could be used for close combat, and traps, which were ingeniously designed to capture unsuspecting prey. These tools helped them bring down animals much larger than themselves. The ability to hunt large game provided a significant advantage in terms of food supply. Meat provided essential protein and fat. These nutrients were crucial for their physical development and energy needs. It was vital for their survival in this harsh environment. Cooking meat not only made it more palatable, but also reduced the risk of disease, making it a safer and more reliable food source. Water, the elixir of life, was another essential need. Early humans followed rivers and streams. They knew that animals congregated near water sources. This provided opportunities for hunting. They developed ingenious ways to collect and transport water. Gourds and large leaves were used as containers. This allowed them to carry water back to their campsites. These skills were crucial for their survival, especially in drier regions. Section 4. The gift of fire. The discovery of fire was a turning point. Fire provided warmth during the cold nights. It offered protection from predators. It allowed them to cook food. This made it safer and easier to digest. The control of fire was a significant achievement. It is believed that early humans learned to create fire by striking stones together or rubbing wood. This newfound ability transformed their lives. Section 5. Strength in numbers. Early humans lived in small groups. They relied on each other for survival. They shared the tasks of hunting, gathering, and caring for the young. This cooperative spirit fostered a sense of community. This communal way of life was essential in the face of dangers. It allowed them to pool their resources and knowledge. This increased their chances of survival. Section 6. Legacy of the Ancients. The ingenuity and resilience of early humans laid the foundation for modern civilization. These early pioneers, with their simple yet effective tools, began a journey that would span millennia, leading to the complex societies we live in today. Their mastery of fire, their skills in hunting and gathering, and their cooperative spirit were all crucial steps in our evolution. Fire not only provided warmth and protection but also allowed them to cook food, making it more digestible and nutritious. Hunting and gathering required not just physical prowess but also strategic thinking and collaboration. As we marvel at the achievements of modern society, it is important to remember our roots. The skyscrapers and technology of today are built upon the hard-earned knowledge and discoveries of our ancestors. Their innovations, though primitive by today's standards, were groundbreaking in their time. We carry the legacy of those early humans within us. Our DNA holds the stories of their struggles and triumphs, their fears and hopes. Each of us is a living testament to their enduring spirit and relentless quest for survival. Their story is a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity. Through the ages, despite countless challenges and adversities, the human spirit has remained unbroken, always striving for a better future. The legacy of the ancients is not just a tale of survival, but a saga of innovation, cooperation, and resilience that continues to inspire us today.